retaining cap with a seal. Your spring, watch for dust on it. Clean that up in a minute. Really tricky, so there's your valve. Your spring retaining. And one little tiny O-ring. This O-ring, you want to watch to see if there's any cracks or anything in it. This one appears to be okay. So what we'll do is we'll oil it up. And this just simply fattens it up and make sure there's a good seal. Put it back in. So we got all dust off that. Got a little bit of a, you can see where it's been hammering on it. We'll get her to add some oil to it. And she'll shake it around just to, and she's just going to add a little bit of oil to that O-ring. And there's no right way to put these upside down, so you can just simply put it in. It's going to take. I'm going to get the back end in first, once she gets that compressed. Feed hole. And one last seal to check. Seems to be in mint condition. Now she's just going to line up the air hole here with here, and slowly push it in. So we can get that adjusted to there. Yeah, these things are tight. Make it look like a, there you go. So she's got that lined up. Let's see how to properly get Teflon. You go in the direction that you're going to turn it in so it doesn't peel it off. Now you'll notice, whenever you break it up, sometimes that comes like that. So I hook the excess out. It's ready to go in. I want to make sure too deep. All you want to do is make sure this lines up with the way it comes around into the side of the gun. So whenever she tightens it one last turn with the pliers, a little bit more, and you can see it'll lay back in the gun, no problems.